Hey guys, just a quick comparison. We've been building these aluminum carts to show the difference from my old slab table and building it on the BuildPro. So this cart here we built on the slab table, and you can see it's kind of rocking and rolling a little. Kind of putting myself out there since I built both of them, but I don't mind. I would really like to show the difference. When you're building on a slab table without, proper fixturing and you're just trying to get through it, you can spend all the time in the world chasing these out. So at some point you got to figure, when you're going to stop and finish the job. And this one on the BuildPro, we welded a portion of this out of the fixtures. So the fixtures went together pretty quickly. We threw the risers up, set the gap, started just clamping them down. It all went together relatively quickly. And the hard to reach spots where either clamps or risers were in the way, we took it at some point out of the fixture and welded it out without the clamps. So I think if we, clamped it down a little more while we were welding it, we might have been able to take some of this slightly out. So I have a couple just basic shims here I wanted to show you guys without getting too detailed with it. This is a 75 thou shim. So this corner, I can get that under, so that's quite a bit. And that's, just across from corner to corner there. We have some, there are some ways of dealing with that, with trying to clamp it and twist it and bend it, but just to show you guys, the straight comparison. This is a 25 thou, and again, from corner to corner, it's a little less than 25 because I'm pushing this 25 underneath this corner. But both of them, we ground the welds off the bottom, the best we can, try to get it pretty flush. Another thing, guys, it probably took roughly about 30 minutes on both to get them fixtured or sort of squared up. This one that we built on the slab table, even though we were relatively able to get it together in the same amount of time that we set the fixtures on the BuildPro, one of the issues which you will see in the other portion is chasing the squareness of the frame. So even though the setup might have been similar, but I probably spent double or triple the time, with the mallet and trying to square up the corners and just chasing that all around the cart. So with that said, if I had to build, more than one of these, I could have left the fixture assembled, tacked it all in there, pulled it out, and all of that stays right in its place, locked down. So if I wanted to bring the second frame in, put the sides up, start connecting the four middle connecting bars, the BuildPro tools would already be set up without making some custom fabricated fixture that's heavy, cumbersome, big metal thing. And that's a quick side-by-side comparison of the two carts, slab table and BuildPro.